Welcome to lectures on mental health. Tonight I want to talk about how to heal emotionally. You see, if you feel broken inside, like something in you has shattered and will never be the same, I want you to hear clearly. I want you to hear this clearly. You are not broken. You are responding to pain. And in this video, we are going to walk through gently powerful steps to help you heal emotionally and slowly find peace again. We'll move through this together, one step at a time. The first step for healing is awareness. Healing always begins with awareness. Feeling broken usually doesn't mean something is wrong with you. It means you have been carrying pain that never had a safe place to go. Unprocessed emotions, silence, grief, old wounds that were never acknowledged. So instead of judging yourself, ask gently, what pain have I been carrying quietly? You don't need to explain it, just notice it. Awareness is not fixing, it is simply seeing. Now, once you have become aware, the next step you have to look at is acceptance. Most emotional sufferings continues because we fight our feelings. We tell ourselves we shouldn't feel this way, that we should be stronger, that we should be over it by now. But what you resist stays. You have to understand something. What you resist stays. Healing begins when you allow yourself to feel without judging or rushing yourself. Let me take it again. Healing begins when you allow yourself to feel without judging or rushing yourself. So I want you to take a slow breath and silently say to yourself, it is okay to feel this way. That is it. Nothing else is required. It is okay to feel this way. You need to tell yourself that it's okay to feel this way. You need to accept what you are going through. Now, after the acceptance, the next stage to take is release. You have to understand that emotions are not meant to stay trapped inside you. They need expression. So when emotions are suppressed, they turn into heaviness, numbness, anxiety, or sadness. Releasing emotions doesn't mean reliving trauma. No, it actually means letting feelings move through you safely. You can release by writing freely, crying without shame, speaking your feelings out loud, or moving your body gently. Even a few minutes is enough. Healing happens in small releases. I want you to take note of this. Healing happens in small releases. So you just have to release it slow and bit by bit. After the third stage on how to heal, we then move to what we call the inner safety. Here is something very important. You cannot heal emotionally if your body doesn't feel safe. Healing starts in the nervous system, and when your body feels constantly on edge, your mind stays stuck in a survival mode. So we gently teach the body safety by slow breathing, longer exhales, grounding yourself in the present, and remind yourself quietly, in this moment, I am safe. Safety always comes before healing. Then the next stage or the next step on how to heal emotionally is the inner dialogue. When someone feels broken, their inner voice often becomes very harsh. It says things like, I am damaged. I will never heal. This is my fault. You see, that voice is not truth. It is learned self-blame. So instead of attacking yourself, try speaking to yourself with understanding. Instead of saying, I am broken, say, I'm healing at my own pace. When you do that, your nervous system listens to your words. So speak gently to yourself. Speak positively to yourself. And the next stage we're going to look at is called self-compassion. Healing deepens when you stop punishing yourself for struggling. Self-compassion means becoming the care you may not have received before. You see, ask yourself daily, what do I need right now? How can I be gentle with myself today? Sometimes healing looks like rest. Sometimes it looks like boundaries. Sometimes it looks like doing less. You have to understand that you heal faster when you are kind to yourself. So if you want to heal, be kind to yourself. And the last stage is what we call hope. You see, when you feel broken or feeling broken can make it seem like life will never feel whole again. But pain does not end your story. Healing doesn't erase the past. It changes how it lives inside you. So you are not behind in life. You are rather rebuilding yourself. And rebuilding takes courage. I want to say it again. Rebuilding takes what? Courage. Now, if you remember nothing else from this video, please remember this. Remember that nothing is wrong with you. You are responding normally to something painful. Healing is not fixing yourself, but it is rather returning to yourself. So take a slow breath. Healing has already begun. If this resonates with you, comment I choose to heal. And subscribe if you want more healing content like this. You are not alone. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.